Discover this gorgeous home with amazing mountain and valley views. It's situated in a highly desirable location on Bull Mountain, close to parks, the Tualatin River Wildlife Refuge, popular Progress Ridge with extensive dining, shopping, and entertainment options. Plus, it has convenient access to Highway 99, I-5, and Bridgeport Village. Heading inside, the open floor plan is beautifully designed with new bamboo floors, a gas fireplace, large windows, motorized smart blinds, and an abundance of natural light. The spacious kitchen features stainless steel appliances, an island, and ample cabinet space. From the dining area, head out onto the covered deck, ready for year-round entertaining and with mountain views. The open, formal dining room is perfect for large or small gatherings. Enjoy the convenience of a main-level bedroom or office with a walk-in closet, plus a main-level bath and a large utility room. Upstairs, you'll be impressed by your beautiful primary suite, where you can take in Mount Hood views. The remodeled bathroom features a dual-sink vanity, an oversized shower, and a luxurious soaking tub. And organization is easy with double walk-in closets. You'll find 3 additional bedrooms on this level, including one with a private view deck. The sizable family room is a versatile space in this home of more than 3,300 square feet. And you'll find another full bath. The landscaped yard is complete with an irrigation system. You'll also enjoy the convenience of 2 EV chargers. Experience the perfect blend of style, functionality, and natural beauty in this remarkable Tigard home. You'll find it all here on Oak Valley Terrace, and it's ready for you to call home. To schedule your personal tour, please contact Steve Nassar at 503-805-5582. For financing options, please contact Carrie Benshoff with Director's Mortgage.